friends, this is Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. Today we are going to learn about verbs. Yes, transitive verb and intransitive verb. I have divided main verb into two parts, transitive and intransitive verbs. What I mean if I am saying I hit the ball. Any guesses? Yes, I am doing any action and it is required of any object. It is called transitive verb. Any action pass over to any object, it is called transitive verb. Let's see the example. Ramesh hits a ball. Here Ramesh is the subject and he hits a ball. Hits a ball. Ball is object. When object is required in sentence, it is called transitive verb. Second example, he rings the bell. The bell is object. It is action verb and it is subject. Subject plus verb and object. It is called transitive verb. And in intransitive verb, there is no object required. Action doesn't pass over to any object. Let's see the example. He sleeps. Sleeping is action verb and sleeping is it is complete action verb. It doesn't require any object. So it is intransitive verb. Shanu speaks slowly. Shanu speaks is the action verb and there is no requirement of any object. It is called intransitive verb. Actions doesn't pass over to any object. Verbs used transitively. Some verbs can be used in transitive way and in intransitive way. Let's see the example. He speaks the truth. He speaks the truth. That means person speaks the truth. The truth is object here. And second, intransitive verb speaks slowly. Speak slowly. That means there is no object requirement in this sentence. It is intransitive verb. Second, students rang the bell. Students rang the bell. The bell is object. It is required of object. It is transitive verb. And here bell rang loudly. There is no object. Bell is subject here. Rang action verb. Bell rang loudly. There is no object required in this sentence. It is intransitive verb. And the next, he flies kites. Subject doing action verb and it requires object. Object, action verb and subject. Subject plus verb and object, it is called transitive verb. And a bird flies means a bird is subject and fly is verb. It is complete action. There is no requirement of any object. It is intransitive verb. So friends, it brings me to the end of the lesson today. I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will come up with the new lesson soon. Till then, take care. Bye.